I'm Fleur Alkemade. I'm a professor at Eindhoven University of Technology and I just started a fellowship here at IAS. I work on the socio-economic aspects of sustainability transitions, mostly energy and mobility transition. And here at IAS I like to further my project on social tipping points in the energy transition. And social tipping points occur when a very small change or intervention has a very large effect on emission reductions. An example of such an intervention could be when there's free parking for electric vehicles, or when there is an event that changes the norms or thoughts about behavior in terms of wearing a sweater when it's colder or turning down the heating. As you can see from these examples, there's a lot of social and behavioral processes that we need to better understand to get to the bottom of these tipping points. And once we've gathered all this knowledge about social tipping points, my team and I will try to process this knowledge into small stylized models of social tipping dynamics, and we will use these models to identify suitable intervention points to help accelerate the energy transition.